If you're ready to get your driver's license in California at 16, the first step is getting a provisional instruction permit, also called a learner's permit. This lets you practice driving while you work toward your full license. You need to be at least 15 and a half years old, but under 18. Before you apply, you'll also need proof that you're enrolled or have completed a driver education course. The application itself is the California Driver's License or ID card application, which has to be signed by a parent or guardian if you're under 18. Once you have that ready, schedule an appointment at your local DMV office. Bring proof of who you are and that you live in California. Depending on the type of license you choose, this could be documents for a real ID, a federal non-compliant card, or an AB60 license. At the DMV, you'll pay your application fee, take a vision test, and have your photo taken. After that comes the knowledge test. It's multiple choice based on the California Driver's Handbook. You need at least 80% to pass. One tip here, don't wait until the last minute. Tests aren't given after 4:30 in the afternoon, so plan your appointment earlier in the day. Passing this step gives you your permit, and from there you can start your supervised driving practice until you're ready for the driving test at 16.